Good morning everyone. In today's video of marketing, I am going to start new session in unit 1, that is session 4, and the name of session 4 is marketing versus selling. So here I will tell the difference between marketing and selling. So first of all, we must know selling is just a part of marketing and marketing is a bigger term and selling is the smaller term. Selling is the part of marketing. Marketing, we have learned the definition of marketing, that marketing is the set of many activities and selling is one of the activity in marketing. So some details are written here. Many people confuse selling and marketing as one and same thing. So some people think that selling and marketing are same. In reality, both are quite different from each other. Yes, learn everyone. Everyone thinks that selling and marketing are same, but not. They are very different from each other. Selling is an important part of marketing, but it's not marketing. Marketing is much wider in scope than selling. Okay, just learn this paragraph only. Also some details are given here in next paragraph. Third paragraph we can see marketing as a concept is wider than selling and focuses on customer needs and wants rather than the product. Marketing starts before production and product is produced according to needs and wants of customer. Customer satisfaction is given vital importance and changes are made if customers are not satisfied. It is a long chain of activity. So marketing is a long process. So learn everyone. The definitions of marketing you have learned already. So just here you must have to remember that marketing is a very big concept. Selling is a small concept. Marketing is a long activity. The aim of marketing is customer satisfaction, as I have already told. Also in session 3 I told you about concepts, marketing philosophies. In that I told you selling concept, marketing concept. So you can learn those definitions again. Here just remember marketing and selling are different. So you can learn this diagram. Here selling and marketing concepts are given. First, selling concept. Starting point of selling is factory. Focus is on products. Means selling and promoting ads. Profits through sales volume. Similarly in marketing concept, starting point is target market. Focus is on customer needs, means coordinated marketing, and ends profit through customer satisfaction. So it's a brief difference between the two. Now we can learn the difference between the two in detail in this table. This is very important table given here. It comprises of all the differences between selling and marketing. So just learn this table. First point of difference, marketing concept, selling concept. Let's study this in detail. Definition. First point is definition. So marketing is the process of creating value for customer and delivering goods and service for earning profit. So here simple definition of marketing is given. Now let's study definition of selling. Selling is the process of encouraging customers for increasing sales. Selling means just selling. Marketing is activity or marketing is set of activities, means many activities are held in market. The objective of marketing or this concept is to satisfy customer. As we know, the aim or objective of marketing is customer satisfaction. Now selling, the objective of selling is to increase sale, okay, of goods and services. Selling is just about selling only. Its objective is to increase sale. Now talk about scope. The scope of which scope is wider? The scope of marketing concept is wider. Remember this, marketing is big concept. So scope of marketing is bigger. Scope means in Hindi daira or English area. The scope of selling is opposite of marketing concept, so it is narrow. Emphasis means force or pressure. So this concept emphasis on customer needs. Yes, obviously in marketing customer is treated as God or king. So the concept emphasis on customer needs. Next selling, the concept emphasis on product or service. Selling में सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट को देख रहे हैं, बट मार्केटिंग में कस्टमर को देख रहे हैं. प्रॉफिट. पॉइंट 5, प्रॉफिट. This concept earns profit to customer satisfaction. Yeah, obviously in marketing we can earn profit if our customer is satisfied. So this concept earns profit through customer satisfaction. In selling, this concept earns profit through attractive sales and promotion. Okay, means only selling is done in selling concept. Next start. This concept starts with actual and potential customers. Potential means the persons who can be our customer in future. Okay, so here this concept starts with customer who are present customers, means actual, and who will be customer in future, that is potential customers. Selling, this concept starts with existing product. In this concept only product is considered, not customer. सेलिंग में कस्टमर फोकस नहीं है, मार्केटिंग में कस्टमर फोकस है. मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन. सेगमेंटेशन मीन्स डिवाइडेशन. देयर विल बी अ full topic on this term, market segmentation. So this concept thinks about market segmentation deeply. Segmentation means to divide the market into parts. This concept never thinks about market concept. Marketing mix, this also we discussed in detail in other units in this subject. Okay, so here you can skip both points, market segmentation, marketing mix, you can skip. Effectiveness, come to effectiveness. After point 6 come to effectiveness. So this concept is applicable in pure competitive या competition market. This concept is useless in pure competition market. Okay, price, consumer or customer determine price. Just learn, in marketing price is fixed according to customer. In selling, cost determine price, means every marketer will fix the price according to cost. Cost means selling amount, cost means producing amount, means expenses, and price means selling amount. So cost के अकॉर्डिंग प्राइस फिक्स करते हैं इन सेलिंग कंसेप्ट, बट इन मार्केटिंग कस्टमर के अकॉर्डिंग प्राइसिंग सेट करते हैं. व्यू ऑन बिजनेस, इट व्यूज़ बिजनेस एज अ कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइंग प्रोसेस. इन मार्केटिंग में सिर्फ कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइंग प्रोसेस है. इन सेलिंग इट व्यूज़ बिजनेस एज अ गुड प्रोड्यूसिंग प्रोसेस. सेलिंग में सिर्फ गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस करने का मेन एम होता है. सो जस्ट रिमेंबर मार्केटिंग्स एम, द एम ऑफ मार्केटिंग इज कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन, द एम ऑफ सेलिंग इज जस्ट टू सेल द प्रोडक्ट एनी हाउ. ओके, नेक्स्ट, which one is bigger? Marketing is bigger concept, selling is the part of marketing. So the scope of marketing is wider, the scope of selling is narrow. So today I discussed differences or marketing versus selling. So this session is over. Afterwards some keywords, summary, knowledge assessment 5, short questions, short answer questions, long answer questions, knowledge assessment 6 are given. Then after this there will be unit 2. So today I finished session 4 in unit 1 first. So finally our unit first has been completed. I will give a total full video of this full unit in brief in next term. In next video I will give full brief of this unit. So today I discussed the differences between the two. At least learn 5 points. Those are important. That marketing is combination of selling. Selling is part of marketing. Marketing is bigger, selling is smaller. The aim of marketing is customer satisfaction. The aim of selling is to sell the product. Marketing starts with customer, selling starts with product. Okay, and in marketing customer or consumer determines price, but in selling cost determines price. So just learn at least 5 points. This diagram also you will learn theory part. Okay student, thank you for today. Learn this session, it's a very important topic. This is a basic topic and very important topic in marketing. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in another video.